everyone, team. Can any one of you please confirm in the chat? Am I audible to everyone, team?
Yes, you are audible.
Yeah, thanks for confirming. Thank you. Yeah. Thank you, team. So again, good evening, everyone, team. And first of all, a warm welcome to TrioTech Software Trainings. And I would like to thank everyone for taking your time and attending the demo on Oracle Fusion HCM cloud applications. So before starting today's demo, let me share with you something, team. So today in this demo, we have mix of population attending team. Like we have freshers who recently passed out and planning their career into this Oracle Fusion HCM cloud applications. And we have the people having prior experiences that is into non-IT. They're into not IT, but they're having some prior non-IT experiences and currently planning to switch their career to IT with this Oracle technology. And we also have the participants attending the program today who already working in the IT industry in prior ERP technologies, and it might be some other technologies as well. So considering all the mix of participants attending the demo today, we have kept everyone in mute, team. So I request everyone to please be on the mute so that we can able to continue with the topics that which we planned out for today's demo. Okay. Please park your questions. If you have anything to discuss with me, at the end of the session, I will be taking the questions from each and every one of your team. If you want to post your questions in the chat board, that is also fine. You can able to post your questions in the chat board as well, team. So considering all the mix of population, if I take the sessions, if I take the questions in between the session, the flow will get interrupted, team. Hence, we will be muting everyone now. So you will be giving you an opportunity at end of the session to have one-on-one discussion with me, team. So by end of this session, I will be addressing all your queries and then I will be concluding the class for today. Okay. So again, a warm welcome to TrioTech Software Trainings. My name is Kumar and I will be the trainer for this Oracle Fusion HCM cloud applications team. So what we are going to discuss in today's demo. So in today's demo, I'm going to introduce to you how to land upon a high-paying job even as a beginner with zero coding knowledge and with non-IT experience. If you don't have any prior IT experience, you are working in some other non-IT domains, or you have a career gap after your education. It might be 1, 2, 3 years, or it might be a long career gap. Now you want to start your career into IT. And the most importantly, people who is not having any prior coding language, coding knowledge, no SQL, no PLSQL, or no system languages that you are aware of. Without that, can we able to get into the IT industry with a very high paying salary? So today I'm going to introduce to you one of the technology we have in the market, that is Oracle Fusion HCM cloud applications team. So as I told you, this is a completely zero coding application. People from any background can able to learn this course. But what is this technology is about? People already having the ERP knowledge or ERP background, you people might aware of what is this Oracle Fusion HCM cloud applications is about. Okay. Team, I request please don't use any annotate option, team, because here we will be seeing some disturbance on the screen. Yeah, thanks for understanding. Yeah. So people with prior ERP experiences, you might aware of what is this Oracle Fusion HCM cloud applications is about. But people from other backgrounds or freshers, I will be explaining you what is this technology is about. And once we learn this, where, like, in which companies we will be having the jobs available, what sort of roles that we are going to work in this technology, and what are the companies typically hiring in the market on this Oracle Fusion HCM cloud applications. What could be your career graph down the line next 5 years or next 10 years, where you will be once you learn this technology and you get into any IT company, right? And does it require any prior knowledge or any prerequisites to learn this technology? That all I will be explaining you in this today's demo session, team. So by completing today's session, you will be in the understanding of what is this Oracle Fusion HCM cloud applications, who will use this product in the market, what we will do by learning this technology, where we will be starting our careers, in what type of companies. That all you will be getting the knowledge, team, right? So moving on to today's agenda. But before moving on to the today's demo agenda, team, let me briefly introduce about myself. Because when you learning a technology, you should first aware about your trainer, who I am, what sort of knowledge that I have on this technology, how many projects that I worked on in this technology. That all, let me share with you some brief intro about myself before going to the demo for today, team. So about trainer. So as I already told you, my name is Kumar and I'm an Oracle certified implementation specialist with overall 14 years of experience, team. Within that, from the last 12 years, I'm working in this IT consulting. So I'm having total 14 years of experience, team. Out of that 12 years, I'm into this IT industry. And I worked on close to 10 plus end-to-end implementation, support and rollout projects in this particular Oracle Fusion HCM cloud applications, team. So my clients are the projects that which I worked from these countries. Like I worked for the clients from United States, UK, Australia, Finland, and Middle East countries like UAE, Oman, Qatar. So these are the countries for which are the clients from these countries for which I worked on the implementation projects, team. So I can say that in this technology, I have multi-country or multi-legislative exposure, team. I worked for the clients from United States, from UK, from Finland, from UAE. So total 10 plus end-to-end implementation, rollouts and support projects have been part of in this technology. Currently also, I am working for an MNC where I am working on one of the global client having their presence across 30 plus countries, team. And I'm a corporate trainer as well, who delivered 25 plus trainings to several companies, team, like the general trainings that I am taking currently for you in our TrioTech. I am also a corporate trainer where I conducted several trainings in the MNCs also, team. In order to upskill their employees, companies will be conducting the trainings. So on this Oracle HCM cloud applications, I also given the trainings for several companies, team. So I given the trainings for Capgemini, for Techem, and for American Express, and for Herbalife, couple of companies, if I have to name them, team. And I'm an ex-Deloitte, Infosys, and E&Y employee, team. And I'm also a official Oracle University trainer as well, with respective to this Oracle Fusion HCM cloud. And as I told you, I'm a certified implementation specialist where I have certified with all the modules in this particular HCM cloud applications, team. So this is brief intro about myself. Okay. So let me move on to today's agenda. What we are going to see in today's session, team. First of all, I will be introducing to you the concept of ERP. Because team, our Oracle Fusion HCM cloud applications comes under the ERP product family. So people who are already into prior ERP experiences, you already know about this concept. But keeping freshers and non-IT people in mind, let me briefly introduce to them what is ERP and how many products are available in the market like our Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud that we will see here, team. And then I will talk about Fusion applications evaluation overview and what is Fusion application. First of all, we should know what is this Oracle Fusion applications is about. For what purpose these technologies are available in the market and what is the evaluation path, like when Oracle introduced these applications in the market. That all we will be talking here, team. The intro or the background of the Fusion applications, team, right? And then I will talk about types of companies involved. See, any software application in the market you take, it might be Oracle, it might be SAP, Workday, Salesforce, DevOps, or AWS, Azure, any technology in the market you take. Typically, three companies will be involved in the usability of the application, team. What are that types of companies? Who will be the client? Who is the customer? Who will be the implementation partner? Who is the vendor company? That all I will be explaining you here, team. And in which companies we will be working on this technology, that we will be seeing here in types of companies involved, team. And then we will talk about Fusion environment releases. It means, team, Oracle will follow quarterly upgradation policy. So when Oracle launched these applications in the market, what is the version they came up? And every year, how the application is evolving? What are the versions we have in this technology? As of today, April 23rd, 2024, what is the latest version of the Fusion application? What is the upgradation policy that Oracle will follow? That all I will tell you here in Fusion environment releases, team. And then I will talk about modules in Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud. Here many of you having a doubt, team. Kumar, people telling that there is functional, there is technical in this application. What we have to learn? First of all, what comes under functional, what comes under technical? What all modules we have in this technology? That all I will be explaining you here, team. I request everyone, please be on the call till the end of the session to understand properly what is this technology or the application is about and how good this technology in the market to start your careers, team. Don't drop in the middle. Please be on the call till the end of the session. As it is a demo today, we might extend the session till 9:30. 1.5 hours we are going to have the session. But from tomorrow, every day, session will be 1 hour only, 8 to 9. So I request everyone, please be on the call till the end of the session to get hands-on understanding about the entire subject, team. So I will talk about here modules in Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud applications. And then I will talk about career opportunities in this technology, team. So here, what sort of roles that we will be having in this technology? Once we learn this course, what sort of designations? What will be our career path coming to the next 5 to 10 years? How our career progression will be? And what is the pay rate in the market? Do we have any recession impact? And currently, what is the demand of this technology? Do we have calls in the market or not? So all these things I will be addressing you in the career opportunities in Oracle HCM. Here only, I am going to explain you about any prerequisites required to learn this technology. That all we will see here, team. And then I will talk about Oracle Knowledge Repository. Means, team, in order to access Oracle delivered documentation, where we have to go in the web, where we can able to access the Oracle standard documentation, that navigations, everything I will be showing you here, team. And then I will talk about Oracle certification process, because some of you asking me, Kumar, if I want to do certification, what is the approach? What is the cost incurred for us? How much Oracle will charge? What is the examination pattern? What support you will give for clearing the certification? That I will talk here, team. And finally, I will conclude today's demo with why to choose TrioTech software trainings. The entire program details, what is the cost of this program, duration, timings, what sort of job assistance, and what sort of hand-holding support you will be getting from us to crack the job. Everything I'm going to explain you in why TrioTech, team. So these are the things we planned out for today's demo class. To start with, team, first of all, introduction to ERP. But before starting with introduction to ERP, team, let me explain you for whom this course is for. Mostly people will be having a doubt. Some of the participants, at least 5-10% of the population who attending demo today, might be having a doubt. Am I eligible to learn this course? I'm having career gap, or I'm into some other domain, working into banking, sales, or some other domains, or into non-IT HR recruitings or US staff recruitings. Am I eligible or not? So, team, for whom this course is for, you can check out, team. If you are in any of these points, if you are in your final year of degree, here in this technology, the best part is, team, companies won't look for only BTech grads. People from any graduation, team. It might be BCom, BBA, MBA, MSc, or MTech, BTech. People from any background can able to learn this course and can able to start their careers in this IT industry, team. And if you have just completed your graduation and don't know what to do, as I told you, many of you are hesitant with the coding technologies, team. Which course will be the best technology for you? You don't know. So, team, it's a completely no coding application. Then this is the best technology for you in this case also. And if you want to get a high paying job, moving out of your non-IT jobs or unstable jobs, then this is one of the best technology for that type of people also, team. Prior non-IT experience you might have, as I mentioned earlier. Now you want to move to IT without having any hesitation, you can able to learn this technology and you can able to crack the job. And then if you want to get a salary of 25 to 45 lakhs per annum in the next 4 to 5 years, team, then this is the best technology that you can learn, team. So people from any degree, any background. So if you fall in any of these criterias, then definitely you can able to learn this technology and you can able to start your career in IT with a very good package, team. Because in this technology, freshers or experienced salaries, if you compare also, team, with other technologies, we are far ahead of them. How much we have, I will tell you in the coming slides here, team. What are the average salaries for freshers? What are the experienced professional salaries? I will tell you in the next due course of time. So for whom this course is for, I hope everyone clear with this, team, right? So let me move on to introduction to ERP. What do you mean by the concept of ERP, team? ERP stands for Enterprise Resource Planning. See, It is a business process management software that manages and integrates companies, financials, supply chain, operations, reporting, manufacturing, and human resource activities. For example, I will tell you, team, with a real-time example. Let's say, take any company in the market that which you aware of. In India, we have Tata group of industries like Tata companies, Reliance Industries we have, L&T we have, Cisco we have, Amazon, Apple, Flipkart. Any company in the market you take, team. In every organization, there will be different business processes involved, team. In any company, if you take the example of human resources business area team, what the department of human resource will be doing in any organization, they are responsible for employee management, companies related employee management, recruiting, their salaries, their absences, their performance appraisals, their compensation, benefits, everything the human resource department will take care. Then in every organization, finance department or finance business area will be there. So they are responsible for all the financials related activities in the organization's team. Then if it is a manufacturing company, supply chain, procurement, different business functionalities or departments will be there in every company team. In order to perform all these activities, companies require a modular tech-based software applications team. For example, come to this human resource department in any organization team. In any company, human resource department people are responsible for employee management in that organization, like the recruiting, interviews, selections, onboarding of the employee, then employee management in the company, their transfers, promotions, their terminations, then their leaves, their payroll, that is salaries, everything HR department people will be managing in any company team. So in order to perform all the activities team, the human resource department in any company will require a tech-based software application team. Kumar, before these ERP applications in the market, how companies used to handle all the things? The traditional way was manually maintained team. They used to maintain in Excel or in Word or in physical books. They used to maintain the attendance books, who came today, who is absent, like that. But team, now also small companies with 10 people, 20 employees or 50 employees maximum, they can maintain all these things manually team. They don't require any software to manage all these activity. But let's say if a company have 500 employees, 1000 employees, 2000 employees in their organization, in order to maintain all that employee related activities team, companies requires a modular tech-based software application. One such application offering by Oracle Corporation is Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud. What is our technology team? Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud. HCM means Human Capital Management. So in any organization team, in order to perform the HR related activities, companies will be using this software or an application team. So the Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud applications comes under ERP family team. ERP is a category or a family or a concept. Under that ERP family, several companies offering several products team, like Oracle offering Oracle Fusion. SAP is having SAP SuccessFactors, SAP FICO, all applications of SAP team. Then Salesforce is one ERP application. Then Blackboard, Northgate, then Pegasus or Zoho. These all are the different ERP products offered by different companies in the market team. One such product that which comes under the ERP family is our Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud. For what purpose these applications are available in the market team? In any company, in order to manage their HR related activities, this application will be used team, right? For example, Tata Group purchased this Oracle Fusion HCM cloud applications from Oracle. For what purpose team? In Tata Group, they have 10 companies across the globe and they have 50-60,000 employees working in different organizations. They require a HR software application to handle all these activities team. So our Oracle Fusion HCM cloud applications team will be used in any company for handling their HR activities team. Like Oracle Fusion HCM team, Oracle also offering different other products also team. If you see the Fusion product portfolio, we are learning about HCM. It's a HR related software application used in any company team. Like HR, in Oracle Fusion, we have Oracle Fusion Financials Cloud, Oracle Fusion Procurement, Oracle Fusion Supply Chain SCM Cloud, or Oracle Fusion PPM, Project Portfolio Management. Different products are being offered by Oracle team, but we are learning about this Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud team. So ERP is a category team or it's a family. Under that ERP category, different companies offering different ERP products in the market. One such product offered by Oracle is Oracle Fusion Applications team. So this is about the concept of ERP. And then if you ask me, what is Oracle Fusion application? Let us talk about what is Fusion application and their evaluation overview team. So team, if anyone asks me, Kumar, how best you can describe Fusion applications? I can tell them Oracle Fusion applications can be best described into three criteria team. One is they built on open standard based platform. They built on best business processes and Fusion applications can be deployed through selection of options. What I mean built on open standard based platform, if anyone joining today are from any technical background stream, okay, you might be aware of all these technologies in the market. Oracle Fusion applications were built in the backend, the schema of the Fusion applications built on these individual technical tools team. Oracle SOA, WebLogic Server, JDeveloper, OBIEE, or Web Center Content. These all are individual technologies available in the market team. So Fusion application backend schema working on all these technologies team. This is just for information purpose. Anyone from technical background to know. But in interviews and all, no one will question you about this. This is just for information team. This is important to know. Oracle Fusion applications built on best business processes. What is this team? Whatever you are seeing here, Oracle EBS, E-Business Suite, PeopleSoft, JD Edwards, Siebel, what are all these things, team? If I go to the next slide, you will understand that. Fusion evaluation path. See team, prior to 2006, let us go back to the history. Prior to 2006, all these are the individual ERP applications available during that time owned by their respective companies team. Oracle's own ERP product was Oracle EBS. Prior to Fusion team, Oracle's own ERP product was EBS. And then PeopleSoft is one ERP application owned by PeopleSoft Corporation team. JD Edwards is owned by JD Edwards Corporation. Siebel is owned by Siebel Corporation. Prior to 2006, all these are the individual ERP applications available in the market team. But there was an issue during that time. What was that team? None of the ERP applications available in the market good at all the business areas team. If you take Oracle's e-business suite, Oracle EBS is very good at financials business area team. Hyperion is very good at reporting part. Siebel is very good at CRM, customer relationship management, sales business area. JD Edwards is very good at procurement and financials. Then PeopleSoft is very good at our HRMS, human resource, HCM team. But none of the products during that time available in the market stable in all the business functions team. So what Oracle did during that time? In the year 2006, with $18 billion acquisition, Oracle acquired all these company products team. Anyhow, they have their own product EBS. Along with that, Oracle acquired PeopleSoft from PeopleSoft Corporation. Oracle acquired JD Edwards, Siebel, Hyperion. With $18 billion acquisition, Oracle acquired all the existing ERP products during that time. And what Oracle did team, it has taken the knowledge of financials from e-business suite. From PeopleSoft, it has taken HRMS knowledge team. From JD Edwards, it took procurement knowledge. From Siebel, it took CRM knowledge. By acquiring the best technologies during that time, by taking the best knowledge from that business processes team, Oracle developed a new product, a new generation product on a cloud-based technology that is Oracle Fusion Cloud Applications team. In 2006, Oracle acquired all these products. In the year 2011, Oracle announced Oracle Fusion applications into the open world. So when Oracle Fusion applications announced in the open world team, in 2011, Oracle announced this Fusion applications in the market. Now, some of you might be getting a doubt immediately. Kumar, 2011, we are in 2024. Almost it is 13 years. So that old product this is, and now you are telling that we have very good demand and very high pay rate. Absolutely. In 2011, though Oracle introduced the application in the market, to scalable that product, it's not that easy team as a global product to emerge. So since 2016-17 onwards only, we are actually seeing the Fusion applications presence in the market team, because it took 4 to 5 years for the Oracle to stabilize their application, right? So from 2016-17 onwards only, the actual adoption of the Fusion applications by the companies in the market we are seeing. The reason behind why there is huge demand for Oracle Fusion applications currently is, the reason behind that is team, see, Oracle, what it doing currently means, Oracle's existing customers are there who using their e-business suite, who using PeopleSoft, who using JD Edwards, Siebel. Oracle stopped selling these products in the market team. Whoever currently licensed and using them, Oracle currently supporting these applications. By 2032, Oracle completely going to stop the support also. And in return, Oracle insisting all their customers, their existing customers of PeopleSoft, EBS, JD Edwards, Siebel to move to Oracle Fusion. That is the reason team, many implementations in the market we are seeing. Rapid success for Oracle Fusion application we are seeing in the market. All their existing customer base, Oracle insisting them to purchase the Oracle Fusion application and move to this Oracle Fusion, which is on a cloud-based technology team, which is on an advanced technology. That is the reason many companies now using Oracle Fusion applications in their companies. That is the reason our consulting jobs requirement is very high in the market. Okay. So that is why I kept the slide here, team. The point here in the slide, Oracle Fusion applications built on best business processes. Oracle taken the best knowledge from all these technologies and they built the Fusion applications team. Okay. Am I clear with the evaluation path? And then Fusion applications can be deployed through selection of options. What is that, team? Earlier, team, all the applications in the market are on-premise applications, team. It means what? Whenever a company want to buy the ERP applications from a vendor, okay, along with the application, companies used to buy the server and install the server in their office premises and install that application in that server. They used to recruit their own database administrators, system administrator, then data security administrators. Everything has to be maintained by the company's only team earlier. But now changing that dynamics, Oracle offering Oracle Fusion HCM cloud applications completely on a cloud-based technology team. It means what? If any customer buy the product from Oracle team, any company buy this license from Oracle team, application will be delivered just in the form of URL. It is a cloud-based technology team. You no need to install the software in any of your laptop or any of your personal computer, and companies no need to maintain the server, data center, networking, storage, nothing. Everything will be maintained by Oracle only team. Oracle Fusion application success majorly because of this cloud-based technology also, team. If any company buying this product from Oracle, application will be delivered just in the form of URL. You can go to any internet search explorers, Google Chrome, Firefox, Edge browser, anything, pass that application URL, team, and search for it. Then, team, you will be prompting into sign in Oracle Applications Cloud. See, just user ID and password we have to give, team. And if you click on sign in, that's all, team. You can able to log in into the Fusion applications. This is the UI of the Fusion applications, team. This is the application which you are going to learn in this next 2 or 3 months, team. So this is the UI. Did I install the application anywhere? No. That is one of the best option we have on the cloud applications team. Deployed through cloud-based subscriptions team. Private cloud, public cloud and all not required. Just understand that this technology is built on cloud platform, team. Right. And then, team, let me talk about types of companies. As of now, we understood what is this Oracle Fusion HCM cloud, for what purpose these applications will be used in the companies, we understood, team. So typically, when you learning this technology, team, you should be aware of what types of companies involved in the usability of this product, team. What is that, Kumar? Usability of the product. You are learning a technology, right? You should know what is the client. I'm using the word client, customer, company. So you should know who is client, who are you, and who is the service provider. These all things, team. That is why I kept this slide to give you the clear understanding. Once you learn this technology, what you will be doing. Okay. So typically, 3 types of companies involved. It's not about Oracle Fusion. Any technology in the software industry you learn, team. 3 types of companies will be involved in any of the applications usage, team. What are they, Kumar? First of all, team, service provider. Next is client. Third is consulting company. Service provider company is nothing but team, company who selling the product. For example, team, this Oracle Fusion applications are owned by whom? These are owned by Oracle Corporation. Correct, team? So service provider company is nothing but team Oracle India Private Limited. So Oracle selling this Fusion applications in the market. Okay. Who is the client or the customer for that product, team? Client company is nothing but team. Company who is purchasing that product and going to use that product in their day-to-day operations, team. For example, Reliance Industries, Virgin Mobiles, L&T Infrastructure. Any company's example you take, team. In this case, example you take Reliance Industries, team. So Reliance want to buy this product from Oracle in order to use in their day-to-day HR business activities, team. So Reliance will be called as client or the customer company, team. Client or the customer company means what? Company who purchasing the product from Oracle and using in their day-to-day business operations, team. That is called as client or the customer company, team. Service provider is who? Oracle. So Oracle selling the product, Reliance bought the product from Oracle. Okay. Then what is this consulting companies, team? Companies who is implementing the product. For example, team, Reliance bought the product from Oracle. But Reliance is not an IT company. Reliance don't know how to implement the product what they bought from Oracle, because team, whenever any client or a company buy the product from Oracle, Oracle will be selling or Oracle will be delivering the blank application, team, according to their company requirement, according to their business requirement. Application has to be configured with their data. So what Reliance Industries will do? Reliance Industries will approach the IT consulting companies in the market. The well-known IT companies, Deloitte, Tech Mahindra, Cognizant, Accenture, Capgemini, these are called as consulting companies or IT companies in the market, team. So Reliance Industries bought the product from Oracle, and Reliance will be giving the project to these consulting companies to implement the product according to their business requirement, team. So once we start learning this technology, where we will be working, we will be working in these IT companies in the market on Oracle HCM technology as a consultants, team. So our companies where we will be joining or where we will be offered here, team, in the IT companies in the market. So consulting companies are that. Client or the customer means company who going to use that product. So client or the customer will give the project to consulting company. So Reliance Industries, let's say, given the project to Deloitte. So Deloitte will have the team deployed for Reliance team, and that implementation team will be working on their requirement, and we will be configuring the system according to their requirement, team. So we will be majorly working in these consulting companies on this Oracle Fusion HCM cloud technology, team. So whenever our company got the project, we will be deployed into that project, team. So that is about types of companies. Then Kumar, why you written IBM, Deloitte, Accenture? These are IT companies you are telling, no? Why you have listed out in the service provider? See, team, in this world, Oracle alone cannot scale their product. Oracle cannot sell their product or market their product. So what Oracle will do, team? Oracle will give partnership to the so-called consulting companies in the market, like gold partner, silver partner, platinum partnership, like that. On behalf of Oracle team, even the IT companies also will sell the product sometimes, team. Example, you want to purchase, let's say, iPhone, team. You can get that iPhone directly from the Apple Store. At the same time, that mobile can also be bought from Bajaj Electronics or Big C or some other lot mobiles, etc. Right? Same here also, team. Oracle directly will sell the product. Sometimes even these consulting companies in the market also will sell the product on behalf of Oracle team. That is why I kept the IT companies also as a service provider. So typically, these are the types of companies involved in any of the software applications usability in the market team. So I hope everyone is clear where our role will be and what we will be doing team, right? And then moving on to Oracle's Fusion applications environment releases team. I told you in 2011, Oracle introduced these applications in the market. Correct? Team? When it was in 2011. So when Oracle introduced this product in the market in 2011, they came up with a version of R1, that is release 1. Right, team? Now we are in 2024. So since then, the application got evolved team, and now the latest version of the Fusion applications is R13 team. Release 1 is the version that which Oracle introduced the Fusion applications in the market in 2011. Release 1. Over the span of time, the application got upgraded. Now the latest version of the Fusion applications is release 13. So team, actually by 2017, end of 2017 and early 2018 only, Oracle Fusion application version reached to release 13 team. Post that, Oracle made this version as a static theme. It means what? There will be no change in this R13. From 2018 onwards, Oracle is not changing their release version theme. Within that, subversioning is there, that is being changed. But R13, Oracle made it as static for Fusion application team. If anyone asks you, what is the version of the Fusion application? Tell them it is R13, release 13 team. From release 1 to, okay, from release 1 to release 10, from release 1 to release 10, Oracle applications offered both on-premise and cloud-based model team. During this time, whoever the customers bought the Fusion applications team, applications delivered both in on-premise and cloud-based model team. Means what? Traditional approach. Along with the application, client can also buy the servers, networking, everything team, or purely on a cloud. But from release 11 onwards team, Oracle Fusion applications are completely sold or offering by Oracle only on cloud-based technology team. So if and then if anyone asks you a question in the interview also, tell them that now Oracle Fusion applications are completely offered only on the cloud-based technology team. So what is cloud-based technology? I told you, right? Now team, okay, R1 to R13, the versioning got evolved. So basically, what is the upgradation policy that Oracle will follow yearly team? See, any software you take will have the software updates coming up on a timely manner. Even the mobile that which we are using team, usually the softwares will keep on upgrading, right? From Android 7.1 to 7.5 or 8.5, iOS 10 to iOS 11, iOS 11 to iOS 10, Windows 10 to Windows 12. Softwares, everything will upgrade, right? Even this Fusion applications also team will be upgrading on a timely manner. What is that upgradation policy that Oracle providing team? It's a very important thing. that everyone should know when you're learning this technology team, right? So Oracle will follow team quarterly upgradation policy team. What is that? Quarterly upgradation policy. Oracle will follow quarterly upgradation policy. So in a year, how many quarters we have team? 4 quarters, correct? So in the year, Oracle upgrade their application for 4 times. What happens, Kumar, every time when the upgrade happens? See, Oracle systems are being used by many companies across the globe team. So Oracle enjoying the top one share in the market in the ERP segment compared to SAP, compared to Salesforce or Workday or Zoho, any ERPs you take, Oracle stood first. Oracle enjoying the top market category team, if you see the business wise. So to give the seamless experience to their customers, Oracle investing a lot in their research and development. So every time Oracle trying to bring the application in a more better way. So team, yearly 4 times Oracle will provide the upgradation team. Every 3 months once the application will upgrade. During this time, some new enhancements within the application Oracle will bring. Some new functionalities, new features, or some existing functionalities which client don't want, that will be removing. All the bug fixes, any errors or any issues that clients facing in the previous releases, that bug fixes, everything Oracle will be bringing in their upgradation team. So quarterly upgradation Oracle will follow. Let us see what is the latest version of the application as of today. Okay. So where you can check, tomorrow I'm going to introduce to you team how to access the application, what are all these functionalities on the home screen, what are all these icons, introduction to application. Tomorrow we will see team. So let me check out what is the latest version of this application currently team, and I will explain you. Once after logging in, if you come to the right side taskbar here team, in settings and action, at the bottom we have something called about this application team. If you click on that, you can able to check out what is the latest version of this application. See, there is something called 24B 11.13.24.04. Kumar, you told that R13, no? Yes, no? Yes. See here, in the application development framework, release 13. In middleware extension version, if you see, release 13. Database compatibility, if you see, REL 13. The current latest version as of today, 23rd April team, our training also will happen on the latest application release only team. So as of today, the Fusion application version is team this one, R1324B. What is that team? R1324B. This is the latest version of the Fusion application. R1324B. What do you mean by this 24B? See, Oracle following quarterly upgradation, I told you. Oracle designated 4 quarters in the year as A, B, C, and D into the alphabets team. A, B, C, D. So A stands for first quarter team. It means Jan to March. Jan to March. B stands for team April to June. C stands for team July to September. Then D stands for last quarter in the year, October to December team. So Oracle designates each quarter in the year into alphabets A, B, C, D. Okay. Now we are in which month in 2024? We are in April 2024. April means what team? April, May, June. It's the second quarter in the year. B alphabet. And we are in which current financial year? 2024. So the latest version is 24B team. This is what? R13 24B. See, next quarter, when we enter July month, when the upgradation happened, the quarterly upgradation, the version will change to 24C. This one will change to 24C. Last quarter in this year, it will change to 24D. Till last month, we were on 24A release team. So every year, Oracle will follow their sequencing like this. Each quarter, they designated as A, B, C, D. In whatever the financial year, the 4 quarterly upgrade versions will be named like this team. Last year, the series was this one, 2023 D, 23C, 23B, and 23A. Next year, 2025, when we enter team, the release versions will come like this, 25A, 25B, 25C, and 25D. Like this, Oracle will follow giving their sequencing for the versioning team. What happens every time? Okay, what new features Oracle bringing every 3 months? How we can check, Kumar? Because team, when you are working in a technology, we should also grow along with the application. So I usually tell to my students, what is that? If you are learning something, try to explore more on the application team. When the upgradations are coming, what new functionalities Oracle bringing in. So as application evolving day by day, we should also evolve or grow along with the application. So Kumar, every quarter when new functionalities Oracle bringing in the system, how we can able to upgrade ourselves when we are working in the real-time projects, there is an approach team. Oracle for every quarter will release standard documentation team. In this upgrade, what new features that they are going to bring in the system. Tomorrow, I'm going to introduce to you that team. Because today I might not introduce to you the concept of repository due to the time constraint. So tomorrow, when I'm going to take this Oracle knowledge repository team, I will explain you how we can access that all documentation in the system. So this is actually the Oracle upgradation policy team. Then what is this 11.13.24.04? 11 stands for 2011, the year which we introduced the application in the market. 13 stands for the release version, R13. I told, right? Fusion applications currently available only on R13. So 11.13.24 is what you know, the current financial year we are in, 2024. 04 stands for team. We are in second quarterly upgrade, correct? We are in 24B. In second quarter, what is the first month number team? April month. April means fourth month, right? That is 04. So next quarterly upgrade, when we reach out to July, okay, what is the version that Oracle will upgrade their application? You know, release 13, 24C, okay, 11.13.24.07, July month. In this third quarter, first month is what? July. July number is what? 7. So next quarterly upgrade team, Oracle will give this sequence. If anyone want to verify, you can take the screenshot and you can compare team. Okay. So every year, this is what Oracle upgrades their application. Quarterly upgradation policy. And the versioning number, they will follow in this sequence team. Right. Now team, I want to introduce to you what all modules we have in this technology team. The most important thing that everyone should aware of before learning this technology, what are the modules we have in this technology? And many of you will be having a doubt. What comes under functional? What comes under technical? If so, any prerequisites to learn this course, like any prior coding knowledge is required. SQL is required or PLSQL is required. Let me introduce to you all that concepts now, team. So what is our technology, team? Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud, correct? So in Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud applications, team, we have two concepts. One is functional and the other side is technical, team. One is functional and the other side is technical, team. Okay, functional and technical. So what comes under the functional side of the application? What comes under the technical side, team? Under functional side, all our modules in the system we will be getting, team. In Fusion HCM, we have multiple modules, team. Something like we have global HR or core HR, team. Then we have the module like absence management, okay, and we have, team, payroll management. Then we have talent management. In talent, again, we have sub modules, team, like goals, performance, okay, performance, profiles, and succession management. These are again sub parts or sub modules within the talent team. So we have all together, we will call it as talent management. And then, team, we have compensation and benefits. Usually, team, these are two different modules, but while we are calling, we will call them together, compensation and benefits, team. And then we have something like OTL, Oracle Time and Labor. And then we have something like OLC, Oracle Learning Cloud, Oracle Learning Cloud. And then we have something called ORC, Oracle Recruiting Cloud. Okay. And some advanced unused modules also there, team, like help desk and safety, then HCM communicate, like a couple of other things also came recently, team. So on the functional side, we will be having all the modules in the system, team. These are all the modules we have. On technical front, we will be having something like, team, security administration. I'm listing out all the components in this technology, team. On the technical side, we have security administration, workflows and approvals, okay. And then, team, we have something like sandbox, like customizations and personalizations, team. In this only we have something like HCM Design Studio. Such concepts we will be having in this, team. Okay. And then, team, we have something called inbound integrations. Inbound integrations. And under inbound integrations, we have something like HDL, then HSDL, that HCM data loader, HCM spreadsheet data loader, like that, team. And we have the concept like outbound integrations, okay, outbound integrations. Under this, we have the reporting tools, 3 reporting tools available, team, something like BI reports, okay, OTBI reports, then HCM extracts. And a part of this, team, in all the in some of the functional modules, we will be coming across some concept called fast formulas, team. Okay. So these are the total concepts we have in our Oracle Fusion HCM cloud applications, team. There is no other concept which I missed out in this technology. Now, these comes under functional and these comes under technical. If you ask me, team, these 3 concepts also I will tell they are part of functional only. But as part of the training curriculum in the training institutes team, we will be covering them as part of technical. But usually these are also part of functional only. Okay. Now, team, what all things that we are going to learn in this program? And first of all, what are all these things, team? See, in core HR module, employee management will be handled, team. Like we will be configuring all our clients, organizations, their jobs, positions, departments, grades, employee hiring and employee maintaining team, the hire to retire. Everything will be managed in the core HR module team. And in every company, leaves will be there. Companies will be providing different types of leaves to them. So all that leaves will be handled in the absence management module. Then in every company, every month salaries to be paid to the employee. So in payroll management module, the salary processing part we will be configuring team. And in talent management, in every organization's team, every year performance appraisals companies will be doing. Correct. So that we will be handling in the talent management module team. Compensation and benefits on top of salary team, any shift allowance, any overtime allowance, any bonus or any stocks that company want to give to the employee in compensation management, that all will be handled team. And in some countries, employees will be enrolled with some insurance plans, particularly in US if you see team, that all will handle in benefits module team. Then we have time and labor module. In every company team, swipe in, swipe out, then thumb, punch in, punch out, attendance recording of the employees. That will be handled in time and labor module team. Then learning cloud. These are some of the advanced modules came later on team. Earlier, these were not available, but later on they came. Like if you have any experience in joining any company's priorly team, when you join the company will ask you to attend some mandatory trainings. They will give you some courses where we have to go through the videos and immediately online exam will be conducted. So in the induction time, you will be asked to do all that. So for the employees to create some courses and to conduct some classes and to review them, this learning cloud module will be helpful team. Then Oracle recruiting cloud is one module for all the recruiting activities team in the organization. If the HR want to conduct the interview drive, first identifying the requirement from the business, how many people to be recruited for so-called job, then posting that inquiries to all job portals, then getting the profiles, scheduling the interview, conducting the interview, releasing the offers. Everything will be handled in recruiting cloud. Help desk is one of the internal ticketing tool team. If you people work in any support projects, you will be knowing Jira, ServiceNow, how we have ticketing tools team. Within the Fusion application, Oracle came up with a help desk module team. So every module will serve a particular purpose in the system team. Then technical side, if you see, in security, we will be talking about the user accounts and the access management team. Like whenever your client using the system in their day-to-day HR activities team, whenever they hire the employee in the system, every employee should be given access to the application portal, right? Employees, how that access will be working in the system, how the user accounts will be created, that we are going to see in security administration team. Then we have workflows and approvals. Means what? My client is telling, Kumar, in my organization, whenever an employee apply the leave, it should go for concerned manager approval. If manager approves, then only he should take. Or whenever HR hiring the employee, it should go to concerned manager for approval. So all that approval management we will be handling in workflows and approvals module team. Then we have sandbox team. By default, when any company buying the product from Oracle, application will come with standard features team. My client is telling, Kumar, here can you please my logo, my company's logo, or I want to change the font of this, or I want to change the theme of this particular UI, or these icons I want to change, I want to rename, or I want to rearrange them, or any screens you take within the system, I want to customize that screens. That all we can able to perform in this sandbox concept team. Then we have inbound integrations. These are bulk data uploading tools we have in the system team. HDL, HCM data loader and spreadsheet data loader. Earlier we used to have PBL team, but that was not available now. So these two are the bulk data uploading tools. For what purpose these will be used? Once we start the training, you will be coming to the understanding team. Then we have outbound integration. Let's say client started using the system. They want to extract some reports team. So Kumar, in the month of April, how many employees we hired? Can you please extract the report from the system? Or in the month of April, how many employees applied annual leave? Can you pull the report from the system? So Oracle given three types of reports team: BI reports, OTBI reports, and HCM extracts. So these are data uploading tools, bulk data uploading tools into the system, and these are data extraction tools. Outbound integration, we will call them team. Three tools we have. And fast formulas in absence module, in payroll module, compensation module, to write some validations, to write some calculations. Oracle came up with a concept called fast formulas. In this technology team, these all will come into the picture. Now the most important concern to the people, Kumar, to learn this all things or to learn this technology, do I require any prerequisite? Absolutely no. Because team, this doesn't require any prior knowledge team. You come from any background, you come from any other experiences, you can able to learn this technology. Even in our training curriculum also, I'm going to cover all these things from the fundamentals, from very scratch. And mostly people will have one question common in their minds. You are mentioning that no coding is required. So anywhere in order to work on these modules or these technical concepts, do we require any prior languages understanding? See, only in this BIP reports team, only in this BIP reports exclusively team, we require SQL knowledge. Only in this part. Even extracts also we can handle that without SQL knowledge team. But BIP reports team, we require SQL prerequisite. SQL is a language, one of the system language team, structured query language. Because BI reports built on a component that is, we have to write a query, we have to extract the database items, and we have to build the report team. Only in this component, SQL is required. But rest of all, we don't require any prerequisites to learn. People who are not familiar with SQL, you can happily skip this concept team. You no need to learn or you no need to keep this in your resume. Why? Because everyone who working on this technology in the market will not work on all the areas team. Will not work on all the areas team. When you are learning also, you no need to learn all the things. In this application, what all we have, I listed out, but you no need to learn everything. No one in the market will have the knowledge. Absolutely. So when you are learning also team, at least 3 to 4 modules from the functional side, at least 3 to 4 modules from the functional side. On the technical front, these concepts happily you can learn team. Security, workflows, sandbox, HDL, SDL. Even in the OTBI, you can learn these concepts team by excluding BIP reports. Okay. So you can able to drop your profile as a techno-functional. Before that, let me explain you what sort of roles we have. Before explaining you the course curriculum team, let me explain you what sort of roles available in the market. Once you learn this technology, you will be working or you will be hired on what type of roles. As the application divided into functional and technical team, whenever the recruitment happening on these technologies in the market, the roles will be like this team: Fusion HCM, functional consultant, okay, or technical consultant, or the most demanded role, techno-functional consultant. So on these three criteria team, the recruitment will happen. So if you learn only functional modules, 3 or 4 functional modules, if you learn, you can drop your resume as a functional consultant team. If you learn only technical concepts team, you can drop your resume as a technical consultant. But the high demanded role in the market, that is techno-functional consultant. Why? Because team, prior to Fusion, Oracle is having e-business suite. In that, technical intervention is very high. But in Fusion application team, both functional and technical can be handled by a single person team because the technical scope is limited in Fusion applications team. So rather than taking 2 people in the project, if company take 1 person who knows both, that will be a cost effectiveness for the organization team. Rather than taking 2 people, if company take 1 resource, it is a cost saving for the company, right? That is why market mostly looking at techno-functional consultant, right? Even in the projects also, if you see team, usually, let's suppose in a project, if 10 people are working team, we will call in IT resources team. Let's suppose 10 resources if working in a project team. Usually, functional people will be high team, like 6 to 7 resources will be functional. Only 2 to 3 resources will be of technical team. Forget about techno-functional currently. Okay. Usually between technical and functional, which is most demanded if you ask me team, functional consultants will have higher weightage in the project. Why? Because team, we have vast modules in the system and mostly the implementation, everything will be handled by these people, right? So in any project, functional resources will be high and technical will be lesser. If you learn only technical, you will be in a trouble team. I don't suggest to go with only technical. Either learn techno-functional or go with pure functional. Either of that is fine. But going with only technical consultant, you might be having lesser calls compared to other team. If you learn both the things team, then it's a cakewalk for you. Your profile will be quickly screened whenever you drop the resume in the Naukri or LinkedIn or any job portals team. So try to learn techno-functional in the HCM application team. Okay. Coming to the course curriculum, what we are going to cover as part of this training, we will be covering on a techno-functional consultant role only team. I mean, the course we are covering is Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud Techno-Functional. On functional side, core HR, absence, payroll, talent, compensation. These 5 modules from the functional side will be covered team. On technical side, security, workflows, sandbox, inbound, outbound, fast formula. All these components from technical will be covered. 5 modules from the functional side will be covered team. So this is about our course curriculum. To maximum people attending the demo today, we have shared the course brochure to you already. If anyone not yet received, you can please submit your details in the Google form that our admin team reaching out to you, or you can reach out to us on this number team 8179 563 510. So the course brochure have been shared to all the participants. But if you are directly attending the demo, I request everyone to please reach out here, team. So I'm dropping the number here. You can reach out in the WhatsApp. You can take the copy, team, in the chat. Everyone will be getting the notification. Okay. So this is about the total components in HCM cloud application and what we are going to cover. Now coming to the market, team, what sort of opportunities you have? What sort of salary packages are being offered? And some of you were asking me yesterday and day before yesterday, people who are inquiring, Kumar, everywhere we are hearing in the news that recession is happening. Recession is going on in US, in India. Jobs are being in a trouble. We are not getting any calls. That all thing. Let me explain you that as well. See, once you learn this technology, team, first of all, these are ERP applications, I told you. Unlike other applications, team, these applications will be used in any organizations to run the business. Correct? In any company, for what purpose this technology is using, team? To handle their HR activities or to handle their financial activities. It means to run the business, they require these softwares. So the recession impact on the ERP applications will be very, very minimal, team. Okay, I can say zero also. Even in 2010, 2011, where we have seen very big impact of recession, team, across the world. During that time also, people who working on the ERP technologies, not much affected. Same happening now also, team. We are not seeing any recession impact on this technology. Even now, the recruitment is going on very good pace. If some of you might observe my statuses, team, you can able to see even now the freshers recruitment drive going on for one of the company Trians in Hyderabad. Many companies recruiting team, and most importantly, people having the doubt, what will be our career path, Kumar? Like, what is the average salary rates once we learn this technology? For them, this is the slide, team. See, if you ever said like how to get a job in the software industry without coding language, coding knowledge, or you have no prior experience of IT, you have a long gap in the career, and you don't know how to write the best CV to get the interview calls, and you are not aware of how to prepare for the interviews. These all things we will be there to handhold you, team. We will be helping you out. Absolutely, again and again, I'm keep on repeating from the last 1 hour. This technology can be learned by any people from any background. If you have the gaps in place, then effectively we have to fill that gap and we have to try it out. That all we can discuss offline, team. What sort of filling that we have to do in that gap and all. And you can able to drop your profile, team. And some common questions that I'm receiving from the people. Do freshers have calls in this technology? Absolutely. Even today also, we posted the requirement, team. This Saturday, trained freshers, by the way, not direct freshers, trained freshers. On Saturday, coming Saturday, team, on 27th April, there is a recruitment drive happening for one of the company, team. We posted it in the groups and in the WhatsApp status of us, you can able to find. And the average packages in this technology, team, freshers are being offered with a range of 4.5 to 6 lakh CTC, team, and a professional with 4 to 5 years of relevant experience in this technology, we're drawing somewhere between 25 to 35 lakhs, team. That demandable technology is Oracle Fusion applications. The only thing is we have to be ready with that. Kumar, for every person with 4 to 5 years of experience getting that level of salaries, absolutely no. We should also be trained enough. We should also be knowledgeable enough. When the interview is happening, team, if you could portray yourself, if you could sell yourself, okay, knowledgeably in the interview, then definitely the company is offering that sort of packages. We are seeing every month, okay, people with 10 lakh CTC till today currently getting the offer with 25 lakhs or 23 lakhs like that. There is no boundaries of 10% hike maximum, 20% hike maximum in these technologies. If candidate is good enough, worth enough, companies giving even 60 to 100% of hikes from their current CTC also team. So technology wise, no doubt about that. Calls are very good in the market, and how long this technology will be in the market. Any ERP application you take, team, will have a very long shelf life. Means what? Common myth everyone will have. What? Every 2 years or 3 years, I have to learn some new technology, or else I will be outdated. In ERP applications, you will not have that issue, team, because any ERP application in the market you take, next 15-20 years in the market, these technologies are going to be, because clients are going to invest in lakhs and crores. They won't change these applications for every 1-2 years, team. So that's the reason, if anyone having their careers in ERP applications, team, like Oracle Fusion applications, for next 15-20 years in the market, you no need to skip, or you no need to learn any other new technology. These will be there for very long lasting thing. And the best part is zero coding application. Wherever SQL requirement is there in one component, that we can able to skip and we can able to proceed for that team, right? And coming to the course curriculum team, the duration of the program will be for 3 months, that is 90 hours program, team. End-to-end implementation training will be provided in this with a real-time practical training. And timings will be Monday to Friday, evening 8 to 9. As I told you, today is demo. We got extended for half an hour extra. But from tomorrow, we are starting the regular classes, team. It will be 8 to 9 p.m. Monday to Friday. Saturday and Sunday, the assignments will be given to you for every module, team. The real-time project assignments, you can able to practice over the weekends, team. And every session will be recording, team. Even the session currently you are attending also recording now. Every session will be recorded and lifetime access will be given to you. Where you can access these things, we have our own LMS portal, team. So if you come to TrioTechSoftwareTrainings.com, okay, you will be given with this user ID and password after your enrollments today or tomorrow, team. Here you will have live classes login. If you go here in the live classes login, you will be asked with user ID and password, team. Once you provide your user ID and password, 1 second. Okay. Once you provide your user ID and password, you will be entering into your dashboard, team. Here you have enrolled courses. So whatever the courses that you are enrolled, you can able to find it out here, team. So if you go here, okay, all the sessions will be uploaded here, team. Day by day, all the sessions. If you click on that, you can able to watch the session here, team. It's a password protected. It will be shared to you after the enrollment, team. So every day sessions will be uploaded here, class by class, in the sequential order, topic by topic, team. Everything will be uploaded to you, team. See, all these are the concepts across the modules, team. Okay. So all these things, right? So that if you miss the session any day, you can able to have the recording with you, team. It will be given to you for lifetime. And coming to the Fusion application, we will be providing you 5 months server access for practicing this application, team. Both private and public cloud. Here, one thing people have to understand, team. Public cloud means it's a demo instances. Every 2-3 days, Oracle will refresh the application, and every data what you configured, you will be losing, team. But in private environment, it's our own private application, team, where you can able to practice full life cycle of the project in that. 5 months private server access will be given to you as part of this enrollment subscription, team. And for every module, detailed custom materials, not Oracle documentation, team. example like this. This is core HR module document, 130 pages document team. It's our own customized material team with an explanation and with the screenshot step by step. It's a very custom manual and in our very understandable explanations team for every topic. By looking at this manual, you can implement the entire module in the system team. So for every module, custom user manuals will be given to you for practicing team. So these are the course features. Coming to the placement assistance team. As I told you, this training will be happen on a real-time end-to-end implementation team. It's not something we are going to explain you just theory. Everything we are going to configure in the system. We will have the configuration workbook like this sheet team. This is for core HR. All configurations in the core HR. Then absence module, what all configurations. Then payroll module, what all configurations. And once we hand over the system, how the client side transactions that they will be performing. Everything practically, it will be configured and it will be shown team. And we will be providing you the real-time projects assignment also like this. For every module, you will be getting the assignments as well team. Okay, assignment week 1. So everything will be asked you. Scenarios will be given to you, the real-time project scenarios, where you have to prepare and you have to submit us back for the evaluation team, right? And for every module, as I told you, along with the materials team, interview question and answers booklets also will be given to you. Both scenario based as well as freshers. Everything will be given to you with answers team. So all modules, no, this is core HR, but all modules will be given to you like this team. Interview question and answers as well. And our team will be helping you out in preparing the resumes also team. Here the main point, freshers will have some sort of requirement. Experienced people, like some of you might be showcasing some experience in your profile. Some sort of experience means, hope you understood. You are manipulating something and you are keeping Fusion experience. How to keep the projects in that. What sort of roles and responsibility to keep in that. Sample resumes will be given to you. After that, our team will personally check on the resumes and we will be providing you the final version team that you can use for preparation for the interviews and for uploading it in the job portals. And one-to-one doubt assistance also will be there. Once you enroll, you will be added into the WhatsApp community and a dedicated WhatsApp number will be given to your team. So any doubts you have, anything, I will also be available on that. We will be assisting you on that as well. And interview question and answers for every module, booklets you will be getting. And every Saturday team, morning 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. in our office in Hyderabad, we will be conducting the mock interviews. If you are from other cities, no problem. You can enroll 2 days before to that team so that we can able to take Zoom-based mock interviews also. In mock interviews, sometime I will be directly taking or my colleagues who are currently working in the companies, they will be taking up the mocks team so that you will understand in which way the real-time interviews will happen. What sort of questions that they will be expecting from you. That all will be giving you the knowledge with mock interviews team. And we will also refer to the company's team for full-time and as well as for freelancing. So some of the requirements, if you see team, which came very recently in last and this month's team, like this in your WhatsApp community, all the requirements will be posted team. So you can able to apply to them by referring that you learned in TrioTech, and then your profiles also will be screened and will be taken for interviews team. And along with this regular subject training, I'm also going to conduct the workshop sessions for placements team. Something like in real time, what will be the implementation methodology team? Because you people really not worked in the application, but somehow you are keeping some experience on this technology and you are trying for the jobs. 100% you will be caught in very first 1 or 2 questions only. Because a person with real-time working knowledge, he knows what sort of day-to-day activities he will perform in the company. But you don't know because you have not really worked on. You are showcasing that you worked on and you have IT experience team. For that, to ice break on that, a part of the subject workshops will be conducted on the preparation team. It means in real time, in a company, what is the project means? How many people will work along with you? From the day of onboarding, what day-to-day activities you will do? What are the different phases in the project? What sort of documents we will prepare and we will hand over to the client? These all real-time knowledge from project management plan to till go live and hypercare support. All the phases that what you will do, these all things, or in support projects that you are deployed team. Every day, how the work will be there, what sort of ticketing tools will be used in the project, how many tickets in a week that you will be getting, what sort of issues, what is the timeliness to resolve that tickets, that all realistic experience you will be getting as part of the placement workshop team. And also, I'm going to conduct the workshop on the resume preparation as well. If you could see in the October batch, one of the employees see resume preparation special class and also job hunting techniques, how to apply for the jobs in Naukri, LinkedIn, Monster or Shine.com in different job portals, how you will be applying the jobs. Even these additional workshops also will be conducted as part of the training team so that you will be well known with all the possible ways to get into the job team. So end to end support or the hand holding will be there along with the training. If anyone want to directly meet me, if you are from Hyderabad, you can directly come down to the office team. You can even sit in the office and you can prepare every day. Morning 9:30 to evening 6:30. Office also will be opened in Hyderabad. Okay. The location and all admin team will be sharing you. You can reach out to them in the number that displaying on the PPT team. And some of the recent placements you can able to see team. Some of the student messages that what we received recently in this year only team, you can able to check out them. And here also you can see one of the student from USA, she got placed in Deloitte with 123K package. Then Harish, couple of more also we have, only some of them I have placed here team. Even last week also, or even early this week, yesterday also, one person by name Harsha as a fresher placed with 5.5 package team in Hyderabad based company. So companies will be reaching us for the trained resources team. From our side, after the mocks, we will be also sharing the profiles to the company's team. So if you could attend the training every day without fail, and if you practice the things as it is, whatever I'm telling you and whatever the approach that I'm explaining you, definitely you can able to get on to a very good high paying job team. So it's not something very hard to learn, or it's not a robotics or nothing. It's a very plain functional application team. You are not writing any code. You are not designing the application. Already application developed by someone. You are just configuring client's data in that. So if you keep your efforts for the next 3 months, every day 1 hour class and 2 hours of practice, then definitely you can able to land on a very good job with good package team. And some of the recent placements from our institute you can able to see. Even some of the placement testimonials of the students you can able to find in our YouTube channel also team, or in our Instagram channel as well. Now coming to the course, when it is going to be started. Today we had a demo team. I hope everyone got clear picture about what is this technology, what all modules we have, and what we are going to cover as part of this program. From tomorrow, we are starting the regular classes team. So I request everyone, whoever interested to enroll into the program, please enroll by today or tomorrow. So before the class, so that you will be given with the dashboard access to the website where everyday classes you can able to find as a reference, application access, and you will be added into the WhatsApp community as well, team. Coming to the course price. So usually the course price will be, team, 24,999 for this program. But we are having an early bird offer for the people enrolling today and tomorrow before the session. We are giving at an offer price of 22,999. In that, you will be getting an add-on also, team. Usually what I told, you will be getting 5 months of private and public server access. But people enrolling today and tomorrow with this early bird enrollments team, we have a enrollments drive happening tomorrow, team, or even late night today. You will be getting an add-on of 2 months additional private server access. If you want to purchase this from any institute in the market, usually per month 3,000 to 4,000 for private server you have to pay, which is worth of 6,000 rupees, team. You will be getting as part of this enrollment only. So officially you will get 7 months of server access as part of this enrollment, team. Only valid till tomorrow before the session. So I request everyone, please confirm your enrollments before tomorrow's class so that you will be added in the WhatsApp group, and also you will be shared with all the learning portal access and materials and also the Fusion server access team. So already admin team trying to reach you with a Google form. You can fill that form so that team will reach you, or you can reach out to us on this WhatsApp number to confirm the enrollments, team. Now I'm unmuting everyone, team. The forum is open for your questions, team. So if you have any questions in today's discussion, you can please feel free to ask, team.
Hi Kumar sir, I'm Raj here.
Yeah, hi Raj.
So currently I'm working in IT sales actually. So I'm having an experience of 8 years with a package of 15 lakhs. So will this help me to this the career shifting from this IT sales to cloud fusion, and like how actually I have to transform my complete this CIT of experience to get that 14 to 15 lakhs of package of learning this course.
See, definitely you can able to move your career, but for anyone, it's not only you, anyone who is working into other domains. If you are moving into this IT, straight away you cannot drop your resume as a fresher. Freshers means companies will consider usually the recent passed out or 2 to 3 years gap if you have after your graduation, you might be considered as a fresher. But if you are already working in some other domains, then try to portray in your current experiences only. From last 3 years or 4 years, you are already working into this technology and you have experience on 2 to 3 projects. How to keep that? We will be assisting you. We can discuss that offline because the session is being recorded. We cannot explain on that part. Raj, you can
Okay, sir.
reach me out. We can discuss that offline. Okay.
Sure, sir. Thanks.
Yeah.
Thanks for answering. Yeah, I
Yeah.
appreciate it.
So Kumar, Rajkumar this side. So
Yes, Raj.
can you tell me that only HCM module you are providing, or finance or other module also?
We have financials, we have technical, OIC, all the programs in Oracle Fusion we have. But this training is for HCM.
Sorry, this
Yeah,
training for only HCM only.
this is for HCM. I mean, the demo you
Okay.
attended is HCM, but we have financials, we have supply chain, technical, OIC, other courses also we have.
Okay. So in our organization, we are using this EBS. So can we do this also so that we can upgrade
Definitely.
it?
See, EBS is a prior technology of Oracle Fusion only. People who are working in EBS or PeopleSoft or JD Edwards Siebel can move on to this technology because in Oracle Fusion also HCM is having very good demand compared to financials or supply chain. Okay. So next question, Revati, please.
Yeah. Hello. Good evening,
Hi,
Kumar.
Revati. Good
This is
evening,
Revati
everyone.
Prasad.
Yeah.
First of all, I would like to thank you for giving the detailed information regarding this course.
Yeah.
Hello. Am I
Yeah,
audible?
Yeah, you're audible. Yes, please, Revati. Thanks
Yeah.
for that. Yeah.
Yeah, please. Could you please let me know? I'm a 2009 MCA passed out. I worked in various sectors. Is it possible for me to learn this code? Learning is different. Is it possible for me to step into this?
Definitely you can able to get in, because see, people with 14-15 years of different experience working in banks, different HSBC, HDFC banks also moved into this technology and working. We have that we have that people who got the jobs. Definitely you can able to get that. But how to frame that experience and all, case to case. Everyone team, if you have anything related to your personal experiences to change and all, we'll discuss that offline. Anything related to subject, we will discuss here, because many people are there. Better we will
I can
discuss that
understand. Yeah, I
offline.
can.
Yeah.
Thank you so
No
much.
problem. Anything related to experience team, we'll discuss offline. But with respective to today's subject, if anyone have doubts, you can please raise your concern. Okay.
Hi Kumar,
Hello, sir.
this is Lavish.
Yeah, hi.
Kumar, basically just now I'm working in the security HCM Fusion from past 3 years.
Yeah, Lavish, I remembered, yeah.
Yeah, thank you so much. Just I have a small question. I'm just lacking in a functional area, like you can cover that very well, I know. But the question is like I have, where just you will give the assignment on the BI reports and extract also.
Definitely, we will give that as well.
Okay, thank you so much. Because I need to
And
just
BI, OTBI also we will give you, no problem in that, yeah.
Okay, thank you so much. Yeah,
Hello.
Sir?
Yeah, hi, who is this? Sam?
Yeah, hi. Good evening, sir.
Hi.
Yeah. I have a small doubt, sir. Like in this, I want to know about the scope in this Oracle Fusion HCM because, like, for 1 month I'm trying very hard, but hardly I'm getting calls and they're asking 4 years minimum experience. Like in this, can you throw some light or guide me or help me, provide some tips, like what needs to be done, like in order to
What
get
is
the
the
job
question?
soon?
First I missed it, Raju. What is it? 1 year?
Yeah. What I was asking, sir, regarding the scope and for job openings, I'm trying for 1 month for this Oracle Fusion HCM, but
1
I got a
month.
couple of calls.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what is your
So I got a
experience
couple
in
of calls.
total?
Actually, I have 10 years in other fields, sir. I just showed like 2 years experience and tried.
Acha, okay.
But I got a call and they asked like minimum 4 years is required like that. Today also I got a call,
See, when
that
you
B
are
trans
keeping the
they told
experience, try to keep at least 3 to 4 years of relevant experience. If you're a completely fresher, that's a different story. But when you are keeping the experience, try to keep 3 to 4 years of experience. What you kept for 2 years, try to keep in 3 to 4 years experience. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Nikita, please.
Okay.
Or Pawan, anyone have any questions?
This is Naresh.
Sir, good evening, sir.
Yeah, good evening. I cannot
Sir,
see who is this.
somebody told me Oracle Fusion
Mhm.
finance is better other than to HCM. What is the
See,
difference?
finance, if you come from the financial background, like BCom general or MBA finance or from CA, IPCC backgrounds, for them, financial subject will be better. And mostly finance subject, if you have to learn, even in Oracle Fusion financials, if you learn, prior strong background of the finance is very required. Okay. Everyone cannot learn the financial application just like that, because the terminologies, the concept and all will be very tough to learn without having a strong background. Or else you have to keep more efforts first learning the basics of financials, accounting, and then learn the technology. Now compare it to the difference between HCM and financials in the job market. 100% Oracle Fusion HCM will have an advanced, have more edge compared to finance. The reason behind that is Oracle's existing ERP products, that is PeopleSoft, whatever Oracle having now, that is one of the market leader in HCM. Now Oracle insisting all their customers to move to Fusion. That is the reason HCM is getting more projects in the market compared to other product areas like supply chain, PPM, CRM, or financials. So definitely HCM is having good edge in the recruitment also compared to financials. Okay.
No, sir. One person has told me.
That is person
one,
to person individual knowledge. If as a trainer, if you ask me,
no,
then
no,
I can tell that, because
no,
even
no,
we offer financials also. If you want to enroll for financials, by this weekend, we are having one more batch for them.
we have a
But
small question. One project in 10% is requirement. 5 members is finance. 2 members is HCM. 2 members is
sir, that is
SCM.
that person's individual knowledge on his personal project. But he don't know the entire market, how big it is, right? He's telling that from his personal knowledge, in his company, in his project, that client might be using one module in HCM. For finance, they might be using 4 to 5 modules. So in that way, he's telling you that finance is good, HCM is not. But that is not true actually.
Okay, I understand, sir.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah, hi, Kamal. This is Shivani.
Yes, Shivani.
Yeah, so I was looking for the job over the Naukri for the fresher level, but I'm not able to see the job for that. Mostly companies are asking.
Never ever expect whatever that we want in the job portals. Just we have to upload the profile, you will get the calls. Because every company, when they posting their jobs, definitely they will post with 3 years, 4 years experience only. But when the recruitment they start, they will consider the profiles even for the freshers also. But while we searching, we might not find, but we have to apply. That is what I'm going to cover in the session on how to apply in Naukri, LinkedIn, and all.
Okay, but actually, I was also trying to at least grab a call, but I'm not able to get a single call. So I'm very skeptical about this actually. That is the
No,
reason I'm asking this.
definitely we have very good calls on fresher part as well. But the thing is, it should be trained freshers. If you are not trained, just you are dropping as a fresher, then definitely you might not get.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So one more thing that I'm belong from Noida, and I mean I just hope in Noida also I'll get the job opportunity because
Everywhere
obviously
we
for
have
me.
in Gurgaon, in Noida, in Delhi NCR region. See, because this is a global application, every IT company will have the projects. And moreover, this technology will offer remote job opportunities also. Even prior to COVID also, we have this situation.
Okay. So you guys hope you guys going to assist in placement
We'll
also.
help
I mean
you.
after the
Yeah.
completion of this course.
We'll help you on that as
Yeah.
well.
Okay.
But,
Yeah. Okay. Thanks.
yeah.
Hello, Kumar. This is
Yeah,
Naresh.
hi. Naresh, hi, Naresh.
Hi. Kumar, I have been working on technical side. I'm totally a technical person
Acha,
from a
okay.
database related.
Mhm.
And Oracle BIP report I have been working since past 5 years.
Great.
I am looking more into like fast formulas and Oracle view objects in more details. In detail.
See, only core technical, if you are expecting also, you can go with this course, but functional also will be covered in this. You want only technical, we have another course available, Fusion Technical Training, you can opt for that.
Oh, wonderful. I didn't know. In that, will the fast formulas and Oracle
Will
view
be
objects will
covered
that
from BIP very detailedly, OTBA very detailedly, fast formulas, even OIC also will be covered in that.
Okay.
That's a
What is the
different
course name?
program.
What's the course name?
Fusion Technical plus OIC, we have another course.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you. Yeah.
Hello, sir. It's Apurva. Right? So,
Apurva. Okay.
I have 1 year experience, and
Mhm.
I just want to know if I can get job assistance. I mean, if, after taking the course.
See, definitely you will be getting. That's what I'm telling. Even today also we posted the requirement. This Saturday we're having a drive for freshers. Companies even recruiting freshers also. From last 1 week, we have received 2 requirements from Clover Infotech and from Trions in Hyderabad. These are recruiting only freshers who are trained. We have companies, I mean, not only from our side, even in the job portals, when you apply also, you will get. The thing is, people won't explore, just they will upload the profile and they will sit like that. We have to be very active in all the job portals. In LinkedIn, we have to reach the connections, we have to ping the HRs, we have to share the profiles. Lot of activities you people also should do from your side. That how to do and all, I will let you know in our session on how to apply for the jobs and all. So definitely you will be getting the calls on that, no doubt about it.
I have one. but the posting is for freshers. So will I be able to apply there?
You can apply, yes. Biswajit,
But
yes,
then
you have a career
mentioned-
gap, then you learn the business. You can able to learn Biswajit, absolutely no problem in that. Having a prior EBS knowledge is also fine because Fusion application came from e-business suite only.
Yeah, Kumar, this is Kishore.
Kishore,
I have a
please.
couple of questions. So, after completing this course, will we be able to float our resume both as technical separate and functional separate? Is it
You
possible?
can, yes, you can portray as functional separate, technical separate, or even as a techno-functional. Any of the profiles you can able to draw.
And one more link with the same. It's see, the course duration is for 90 days and the
3 months.
server access is for 5 months. Suppose we consume the 5 months with a full regrettive practice and all. So with how many years of experience we can expose our profile?
4 to 5 years of experience. See, whoever attending this program, if you want to keep your resume updated with some sort of fake experience showcasing that you worked on HCM, 4 to 5 years of experience in real time, whoever the person currently working, to what level of knowledge they will be having in this technology, definitely you will be standing beside them. So you can able to portray yourself with 4 to 5 years of experience, because this training is not a just theoretical training, end-to-end implementation along with the real-time company perspective training also. I mean to say what we will do in the implementation support project. So obviously whatever the person that he does in the real time, you will be getting that knowledge here.
Okay. And do we get any kind of real time documentation like
You will get for every phase what document we will prepare, everything we will be sharing. By the way, I forgot to show you that. In this materials drive folder, you will be getting all the documents here. See, in the OEM methodology, if you see, the business requirement questionnaires, solution designing document, then test scripts, user manuals, everything you will get.
So
So this also will be shared.
are those templates or any related to any client excluding the names and all?
That will obviously.
Okay, that's fine, because I would like to see a real time one, so excluding the
The
names.
all their
What?
real time documents only. It's not something that I prepared from my projects and not only I'll be giving.
Oh, that's cool. That's cool.
Yeah.
And on one more question, sorry to ask it.
Yeah.
Oh, so there is a payroll module is there, right? So
Correct.
would you be considering specific to any country
See,
payrolls process?
basically, we will emphasizing couple of countries like US, UK, and Middle East. Comparing all these countries, we will be taking up. So you can consider it as a global payroll.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. So right, team, I
Hi,
will
sir.
take one or two questions, team, and then we will conclude because already it's 10 o'clock. Yes, please.
Yeah, hi, sir.
Okay. Hi, Kamal.
Maheshwari here.
Okay. Yes, Maheshwari,
So I
please.
have like 3 questions. So one thing is, according to the slides only, like you have shown a few modules. Their time and labor was one of the module. So are you not covering that in this
No.
session?
No, with this program of 90 hours, these things we are covering, these are not covering in this. If you want any external videos on that, I can help you out, but in the live, we cannot able to cover.
Okay, so is it easy to learn afterwards? As you said,
can
if you give
learn.
us video.
It's not really tough. Once you have the ample knowledge of all these things, that is not a big deal to learn.
Okay, and one more thing is you have shown few companies who is implementing the products, right? So like there were like 5 to 6 companies. So only those companies are implementing, or we have a lot of
No. Example I have given. Every IT company doing the projects in this. No doubt about that.
Okay. And sir, I'm actually working as a IT recruiter. So I was hearing the questions which you were answering and all. So one thing, is it fine to, portrait our profile with an experience? Because as a recruiter, there are some criterias where the companies look, to find out the fake candidates.
See,
So can we
you
escape
you
from
you no
that?
need to you no need to change your employment. Something you
Mhm.
can portray that in your current experience, whatever the clients you are working for, they are
Okay.
using Oracle Fusion as a recruiting tool. You have an end user experience to that, and now you are moving to implementation side. At least like that, you can able to portray.
Oh, right, right. Okay. Okay,
Next
sir. Thank you
question,
so much.
team. Next,
Hi Kumar, Selvam this side.
Santilla. Who is this? Sorry.
Yeah, Selvam. Actually,
Selvam.
through my
Okay.
mobile, it's not possible to join, so I joined through my sister's mobile.
No problem. No problem. Yeah.
So Kumar, actually, totally I have a 7 years of experience completely into HR side only, but complete 7 years into talent acquisition. So recently, I started working in Oracle Recruitment Cloud actually.
ORC. Okay.
Yeah, overseas I started using in that. So one concern actually now this is a training program, whatever we are covering the functional and the technical. So is it possible to cover more into recruitment, or yeah, is it possible to share the videos or
See,
documenting? If not,
ORC currently we are not covering. Probably
okay.
by next month or by month of June, I'm having a batch on ORC. By that time, if I complete that, I can definitely able to help you out.
Okay, so
Because
if I
see,
join this batch, is it possible to share
everything we cannot offer you with the same price or with the same duration. By that time only, these components to cover 3 months will be very tight schedule for us.
Yeah.
ORC again covering in that will be a tough task, but definitely I will try to help it out
No,
on
I
that.
have a real-time experience in overseas. I just
Understood.
want more explosion on that. And the second thing, actually, regarding that certification. So I hear that this year's certificate could be quite different from the last year.
Practical. Tomorrow I will tell you that certification process.
So for
What
that,
you heard is true.
yeah, for that question mark will be provided from your
Will
side.
be
Any
provided. Will be provided.
Okay, because
that
still
actually I will cover in tomorrow's session, or the certification
Oh.
process, what support we will get on. Okay.
Yes, yes. So till last year, it is a question and option only. So this year from onwards, they are
Some
doing
practicality also involved in it now.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, team, then I will conclude the topic here for today. Almost
Sorry,
it's 10.
sorry,
Team,
Kumar,
one
I'll
last
go
question.
only one
One
question.
last question. If you have
Okay.
anything, you can reach out personally to us on the number, so that will help you out before the
Is
end of
there
the
any
day.
functional course separate?
Not required, because this is completely covered with the detailed functional and technical. Separate course is not required for you for functional. Okay.
Okay, so one question, Kumar. Just you were answering for the other guy, like there is a separate technical course for this sandbox, fast formula, workflows, and maybe OAC. But in this course also, the same will be covered, or no,
See,
it will not be covered?
It will be covered, but not much into more technical. If you want to drop as a core technical only, you might not be able to do that, because we'll be covering both here, right? So core technical, what we will do, for example, here HDL and HSDL I will cover in 5 hours. There we will cover in 8 to 9 hours. It's simple.
Okay.
You will get the subject, but more examples, more tasks we cannot able to perform. That's all. Equal knowledge you will get, but more hands-on you might not be doing compared to.
50 साल का भी रहा तो लेता हूँ.
Sorry, what happened?
No, someone I think unmuted and he asked something. Okay, fine, no problem.
Okay.
Right, team.
So, but the concept would be covered. Only thing is like the number of experience or the number of workshops.
See, for
would be
example,
lesser here.
in here I might be showing you HDL, how to upload jobs, how to upload worker. In technical sessions, 3 or more objects will be shown. That's all.
Hi, Kumar. One last question, please. Sana here this side.
Yes.
I already have 3 years of experience in Oracle Cloud HCM. So can I increase my experience while applying for the jobs?
Definitely. Why you are working only in the support project or what?
Yeah. So then they'll be verifying, right? So
no, I know that. Yeah. You definitely you can able to improvise your. I mean, you can upskill yourself when you are applying for the jobs. If you work only in the support project from day one, chances to explore the application will be very minimal.
Yeah.
Definitely, it will be helpful to you. No problem. Okay, right, team, we'll join back tomorrow and we'll continue with the further things. So as I told you, please confirm your enrollments, team, so that you will be continuing from tomorrow. Thank you, everyone, team. Thank you for attending the demo and patiently waiting till 10 o'clock till this time. Thank you, everyone, once again, team.